good, yo? Tell them niggas what it is, man. I got my New York niggas in the building.
You know Harlem that had to come back down here, man. Had to come down here where it's nice at. This dude got to come get that skill at. If you willing, and niggas out here don't know you, you ain't doing nothing.
Right.
That got to be crazy, waving and all that, touching the floor.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Come down here, get blessed. You know what I mean? Like you go to church, you know, you get your little holy baptized and all that, dip you in the water.
Yeah.
Certified, nigga. Watch this.
It's a lot of niggas on the internet that I called out, right? Them niggas got their own money. They try to put their own money up to bet any out-of-towners. Shout out to Sean, Biker Boy Sean. You know what I mean? They try and bet any out-of-towners, but we can't get a bet. Niggas scared to pull up to this capital. So they want us to pull up, and they scared of their own city, so it's so crazy. We try and bet on distance. Who can wheelie the furthest, man? Not the longest, the furthest. You understand? No diddy. Whenever you ready, man, anybody, man, hit the comment section right now. Let us know where you from, what bike you riding, and I guarantee you I got a rider that's gonna put belt to ass.
No diddy.
Yeah. I have returned home. I said, man, I gotta stop past the old stomping grounds, you know what I'm saying? Where we created so much history, you know what I'm saying?
New to Baltimore, you gotta go to the ride.
The ride?
You don't know nothing, do you? The ride, every Sunday in the summer, everybody with a bike show out. As bikes far as you can see.
Y'all see me, right? Yeah, got that thing dropped back. That's me right there with the white shirt on with the black sleeve. You can see the boy, one and only Willie King, doing what he doing. Left hand touch, a signature move. Type shit. I had to stop past here, man, and just stand here for a second. Wheel deal, bro. Like, look at this shit, man. Like, we really took this shit over, man. This shit wheel deal, man. No dirt bikes here today, but still it's wheel deal. So much history, bro. On a Sunday, bro, you'll see bikes lined up, curb to curb. That shit crazy. Too old for it now, though. Now's the young niggas' chance. Now's the young niggas' time to shine. Now this is the young niggas' stomping grounds, you know what I'm saying? A lot of these older niggas gotta get out the young niggas' way, man. Let the young niggas play ball, man. Let them boys play ball. They deserve it, man. They was cheering us on from the sideline when we was out here doing our thing. Now we older, we gotta cheer them on. King of this city right here is Biker Boy Sean, Trayvon, you know what I mean? We got Mark. This is Baltimore City wheel deal. If you haven't never been on this strip, you're not stamped, you're not certified, you're not one of them. You know what I'm saying? You gotta actually
At the light,
here.
turn right.
If you was here, if
Park
you was on this strip, if you rolled up and down, if you even got a pass off on this strip, you certified in my eyes, man. But yeah, bro, it's so electrifying being here, even without a bike. Too old now. I got many excuses not to be on the bike right now, but I had to. You know, I had to come up the street to handle some business. I'm like, man, I gotta stop past wheel deal. It's an epic place, bro. This place can't be shut down, man. Police try to shut this shit down. Motherfucking is trying to shut this place down. This place cannot be shut down. This is wheel deal. You can't go. No other city got this. Not Philly, not New York, not New Jersey. Not Florida. No other city got this, man. This is the one and only wheel deal, man. And this is not no club. Y'all see, ain't no clubs. Ain't no clubs out this bitch. Ain't no motherfucking cookouts. Ain't no none of that. Ain't no hangouts. Ain't no hookah lounges. This is just we bring attraction just for the bikes. Thousands of people just for the bikes, man. So I had to come up here, man. Ready to stop past and see if I see anybody I don't know, man. But I don't know. I just wanted to stop here, man. I ain't got really not much to say. There's really no script to this. I just wanted to stop here and just smell the hip-hop chicken, even although I would never eat from here. Nah, you ain't gonna catch me eating from this motherfucker. No fucking way. No fucking way. Won't happen. Not me. You know what I'm saying? But I had to come up here. Baltimore versus the world. Straight like that. Baltimore City versus the world. And that's just to the death of me. You never gonna catch me riding full time in another city, bro. In Baltimore City, you always gonna have somebody to ride with. There's always gonna be somebody outside on the bike. So that's why I moved, man. Because therefore I could, if I didn't move, I fucking around lost my right leg too. You feel me? It's an addictive lifestyle. But like I said, this lifestyle we built on our backs. No Diddy. You know what I mean? We built this lifestyle, you know, for the whole world to enjoy this bike life thing. This bike life is a thing of ours that we let y'all enjoy. It's time for y'all to start showing love, bro. And y'all can start by sending that $10,000 donation. Get your favorite rider from the city, put up the bag, we trying to bet. That's simple as that. This is a call out. We don't give a where you from, but especially Philly. I repeat, especially Philly. Philly, we want the smoke, Philly. Female, male, cat, dog, we don't give a fuck what you is. We want the smoke. I just wanted y'all to show y'all, Lord, you know what I mean? Look what I'm saying. I'm just trying to tell you. This is the Capitol. This is what happens at the Capitol. This is what happened at the Capitol, you feel me? This is what happened at the Capitol. This is all you really have to do. If you really looking for anybody in this city, bro, you trying to bet anybody from Baltimore, bro, as far as in the bike side, like if you try and bet anybody, you said, oh, Baltimore duck and smoke. You can't ever say Baltimore duck and smoke because we always outside, as you can see. Like I said, man, we taking all bets, man. All bets. 2024, 2025, we taking all bets. We trying to lock some shit in. What else? If you know any CEOs, anything in the hip-hop chicken, tell them, look, man, we looking for our incentives, man. We blew y'all shit up. Y'all got motherfucking stores in New Jersey, D.C., and all that shit. Thanks to us. Hip-hop chicken, cut that motherfucking check. You feel me? Cut the fucking check. Just something about Will Deal, hip-hop chicken. Just get me right here, man. Fuck it, man. Get me posted up right here. Posted up right here, man. Old stomping ground. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Get me posted up, man. Hip Hop Chicken, we made this shit famous, man. They owe us a check, man. We need incentives. If anybody at Hip Hop Chicken got anything to do with Hip Hop Chicken management or owners, CEOs, holler at us, man. Y'all owe up, man. Yeah, Hip Hop Chicken owe up, man. But yeah, this Baltimore City, this on a cold day. You dig what I'm saying? It's a cold day. We really, you know what I mean? You ain't gonna see this in Atlanta. And it's not gonna be a strip where you going, I came up here, today's what, Monday? On a Monday, it's 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon. What you seen up here? A dirt bike.
It's a regular day, man. It's literally a regular day in the city, bro. You're gonna see bikes.
Now it doesn't make sense why I moved from fucking Baltimore. It should, if it haven't ever made sense before, it should make sense now why I moved. This is why I moved, bro. Because if I didn't move, I would be still trying to be outside. This really calmed me down and got me to chill the fuck out. I got one question and one question only, bro.
You wanna know the question?
Why these niggas calling themselves ghosts after we get fucked up, though? It's like before when we was outside, like a lot of niggas wasn't ghosts. And that's not the city. I'm not saying. I'm talking about Philly. I'm talking about all these other states. They was real quiet once we started, like a lot of our generation started falling back. Y'all was the young niggas our generation. You on your way back.
Out there to me though.
That's what I'm saying. Nobody.
No problem with nobody. Nobody still ain't jumping. I'm still active, bro.
But nobody's jumping out nowhere. They just want to say they're the ghosts. How do you feel about that though? Because you definitely, hold on. Now you definitely one of the ghosts. That's set in stone. Like, as far as your generation, you a leader. The nicest nigga in the city right now, look up to you. Look up to you. No.
On the bike.
I was on the phone on a three-way call, but we ain't gonna get to that. What I'm asking you is, 3-4 years ago, well, when you just, 3-4 years ago, I'm on right timing. Where was just GOAT talk?
I don't know. I came home for 2 years straight, dropped 30 minutes in a month.
How do you feel with this Sean situation, like how niggas not stepping down to Sean, like bowing down to Sean as they should? How do you feel when you know a nigga stealing your tricks? Let me ask you this. This is a better question.
I don't know how I feel.
How do you feel when you looking at the nigga video and you looking at that video and you know those your tricks?
I like that shit. I feel like I'm your role model now. You learned it from
But they not from Baltimore.
I'm from here, but you learned it from what I did.
How you feel about when niggas tuning the bike though? Like when they say they got the sickest tune in the city. How you feel about that? Cause you really not, you know, you an engine head. You ride all bikes.
A lot of these niggas.
You don't like that? Come on, brother. That's all I'm here for. People say I'm crazy, I'm psycho and all that. I lost my mind.
These new riders, they wouldn't know me. They big dog would know me. They gotta tell their big homie come holler.
But they need to do their homework though. Now we are here at my doctor's appointment, OPC prosthetic. I'm here to pick up that super leg, you know what I mean? Top secret leg. I'm out here to test this new leg out and see how I do. This is my old John, you know what I'm saying? Old fashioned. Been thugging with me, so I'm ready to swap this out. Well, I'm ready to keep this leg. I already paid for it. I'm ready to pay $13,000 actually. This new leg is more than 13. This leg was 13. This new leg is 26. So I'm ready to pay $26,000 for a new leg. So y'all can walk with me in there. See y'all when I cut the camera back on. 10 times. Thank you so much, sir.
Of course.
You're the best. Thank you.
Anything else that you think needs to be changed?
Oh no, I love it
No,
already.
it's so good. I'm excited for you.
I cannot wait
Take
to.
some pictures on the bike.
I will. I'll text them to you for sure. I definitely will.
Cool. I feel better on the knee.
Yes.
Okay.
Feels great.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Oh yeah. Walked out with a bag, you know what I mean? Called me 3-leg, no Diddy. That sound hella Diddy. Never mind. Look at my new leg.
It's right here.
What you mean what's right there?
What's that?
Put it right there and push down. Put it right there, even, push it down. Push all the way down. There you go. All the way.
What is this for? When you sit down or something?
Yeah, when I'm riding dirt bikes and stuff like that, I could just take that off and squats, anything like that, take that off and I can actually squat now. Crazy, right?
What's this go right here though?
That's the lock-in. That's how I lock in.
Oh,
That's how what you just put in lock in. It's fly, right?
yeah.
Hold it down and pull it up. You just put it between your legs. It's gonna probably be hard to pull it up the way you got the angle. There you go. It's not hard, is it? It's not hard as you thought it was. Stab somebody with that 9. I know how I'm gonna get that weed to Mexico now, shawty. Yeah, we fly. New futuristic leg, man. You know what I'm saying? Futuristicshit.com.
What this mean? This a name
It's a
of company?
prototype too. This is nobody else has this leg. You understand what I said? This is a prototype. Nobody else in the world has this leg. Yeah, she fucked my shoe up, but that's fine. You know, you see that? Titanium. You know what I mean? All titanium. You know what I'm saying? All the good goodies. You know what I'm saying? Nobody in the world has this leg. Like literally nobody. People probably think these joints be cheap, bro. No insurance neither. Cheap on workman's comp. Workman's comp gang. Why do they got a hot dog in a Chinese restaurant?
And this is a hot sub too. Got French fries on that joint. That's I want me one.
Hot dog right there? No hot dogs? I want one of these.
Y'all promise.
Huh? Yeah, just an advertisement, right?
Had me going for it.
On this episode of Bike Life Talk, we feature a living legend from the streets of Baltimore, Willie King. Willie King has been a street dirt bike rider for over a decade. With his skills and experience, he has become one of the most respected riders in the bike life community. He carries the morals of respect, loyalty, no man left behind, and when you hear it's bigger than bikes, he truly lives by that statement. Most recently, he had the opportunity to be on the big screen as Will Smith's stuntman in Bad Boys 3. He also featured in the new movie Charm City Kings as a stunt rider. After all those years of street riding and developing a unique skill in some of the roughest environments, things were finally starting to pay off. But everything changed when Willie King experienced a life-changing event.